Hello, it's Tuesday and I'm just taking Theodore to have his 12 weeks injections. Nice and shady! It's a little bit windy though. This is his first time out on his own in this pram, and he's in the sitting up attachment because he just wants to lick out all the time. We have just finished at the doctor's and Theodore's had his 12-week injections and he handled it pretty well. A little cry, but then he's back to his usual self, so hopefully that's a good sign. Yay! And now we are walking to Aldi's and going to feed the dogs by ourselves. Having a little Theodore and Mummy time, which will be nice. Oh, look how cute these gardens are. Oh, look, a little butterfly. Can you see that? Oh, I love butterflies. Look how sweet these little flowers are. I just love the sound of the river. It's so relaxing and therapeutic. Goodness.
My favourite weather is bird chirping weather.
The river looks like, oh, it's just sparkling so nicely. Looks like little diamonds. Hearing the birds singing, looking at the green trees, looking at the little buttercups down there. Spring is truly here and it's so beautiful. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Really enjoyed being outside and having a nice long walk. We've been trapped in the house for 2 days because Zachary's been coughing, and I definitely feel much more oxygenated. And oh, I'm rocking the mum stripes today. And a denim pinafore dress, which is also what I wore when we got engaged, this pinafore dress. So
Jump for joy in your beautiful world. This is a lovely Tibetan proverb. Use what talent you possess. The woods would be very silent if no birds sang except those who sang best.